So how to get your boarding pass online with EasyJet. So to get your boarding pass online with EasyJet, the easiest way to do this is you're going to want to go ahead and download the EasyJet app, and you're going to want to go ahead and sign in. Then once you're signed into your EasyJet account, it should bring you to this page here, and right where the arrow is pointing on screen, it should display your upcoming flight details. So on our example here, you can see we've got a flight from Luton to Malaga. And right where the arrow is pointing on screen, you should see this View Passes option right here. Now, if you haven't checked into your flight already, it might not give you this option, and it might prompt you to check into your flight instead. So if you haven't checked into your flight, no worries, I've made a separate video on my channel which gives you a step-by-step guide on how to check into your EasyJet flight within the app. So if you need to check in, I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you've checked in already, you'll just want to select View Passes. Then once you've selected View Passes, nice and simple, it should display you your digital boarding pass. And if you're on iPhone, you can go ahead and select Add to Apple Wallet, which then means it's saved to your phone. Or if you'd rather, you can also screenshot it as well. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.